Dear brothers and elders, in short, science does not create any problem for us. Not only it favors Islam the most, but also it testifies its truth. The Holy Qur'an and Hadith are best matched with science, rather they are a reliable source of information for the scientist. Let me say, the Qur'an and Hadith does not need science for their reliability. Rather, science needs these sources to justify itself. Islam not only... Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyihi Muhammad Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessing be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-Islam deena. Today, I have perfected your religion for you and have completed my blessing upon you and chosen Islam as religion and a way of life for you. Nowadays, it is a general question arising in mind which thinks something about the modern age, the age of science and technology, the age of inventions and discoveries. The question is, what is the relation between Islam and science? What is an Islamic approach to science? And does Islam have any harmony with the modern science? Dear audience, First of all, it is necessary to clarify that Islam is the eternal and perfect religion of Allah. It is in a complete harmony with human nature, so it can never be in contrary to the laws of nature. Its teachings and doctrines can run with ups and downs of every age. Its basic rules and fundamental doctrines cannot accept any change. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has perfected it and regarded it as the favorite religion forever, as he said, Inna ad-deena inda Allah al-Islam. Truly, the recognized religion in the sight of Allah. On the other hand, science is a systematic study and knowledge of natural and physical phenomenon. It is a developing and growing process. It accepts changes, incorporates modifications. Once it proves something, while on the other occasion, it rejects it and claims something else. Dear audience, it should also be noted that science is of two types. First is experimental. It comprises experiment and experience. The second type consists of theories and concept. The first type of experimental science is in complete accordance with Islam. It does not go against Islam in any way. Rather, it has proved Islamic teachings and concept with its discoveries and invention, like science of medicine and agriculture and so on. While other kinds of science, which carries theories and concept, it does not favor of Islam, it does not favor Islamic concept at various occasions, like the theories about the universe, the sun, the sky, etc. But it may not harm Islam, because we believe that history of Islam testifies it that Islam is true, whatever it says, though we know or not. We know science accepts change time to time. Therefore, we come to a conclusion that the points where science has any difference with Islamic concept, it has gone astray and lost the right path. And once it will reach its real destination, it will testify the Islamic concept. Dear brothers and elders, in short, science does not create any problem for us. Not only it favors Islam the most, but also it testifies its truth. The Holy Qur'an and Hadith are best matched with science, rather they are a reliable source of information for the scientist. Let me say, the Qur'an and Hadith does not need science for their reliability. Rather, science needs these sources to justify itself. Islam not only approves science, but it is the founder of modern science. Muslim scientists of Middle Ages made tremendous progress in the field of medicine. We should not mind we should not mind if science finds any fault in Islam. In fact, science should not play any part to increase or decrease our iman. We should strongly believe that the truth lies only in what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Prophet Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace, have said. The Holy Quran says, وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حَدِيثًا وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا. Who is more truthful in his word than Allah? وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا أَنِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. And the end of our call is praise be to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. Ma'assalam.